When you come across the terms in DevOps, continuous integration, continuous delivery, continuous deployment, how well do you understand those terms? They can be easily misunderstood. So I'm really glad to be able to bring you this video where we can take a look at expanding on the ideas of the three areas of automation so that you gain a really good understanding. Now, you just need to dive into any DevOps publication and you're going to come across the terms continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment. But what are they? We'll begin our journey by taking a look at continuous integration. All three are levels of automation, with continuous integration being the least automated. It's a practice where developers regularly merge their code into shared repository, and each merge will trigger an automated testing process, ensuring any changes don't break existing code. Helping to enhance collaboration and frequent testing, developers are encouraged to frequently merge their code with the online repository. So frequently during the day, they're going to be synchronizing their code through to GitHub or whatever version control system that you are going to use. Within there, automated testing is going to be taken place, whether that's GitHub Actions or whether it's being carried out in something like Jenkins. As the tests are automated, the developer can continue to work, and they'll be notified, of course, if there are any test failures that they need to look at. The only level of automation in continuous integration is that of testing. There's no further automation, and that is the realms then of continuous delivery or continuous deployment. Extending on continuous integration, we have continuous delivery sitting at our next level of automation. This expands on continuous integration by not only running tests on the merge code, but taking it one step further, perhaps then merging our code into our master branch, but there will be manual checks before it is integrated into production. So expanding the steps of continuous delivery, we carry out our automated testing. If those tests pass, then we can go through and merge into our master branch. But then there's a manual process before the master branch becomes production. The nirvana of automation is continuous deployment. The most complex, obviously, but we're able then to automate our testing, automate our merging into our master branch before finally packaging everything up through an automated process and those packages becoming our production code. So let's expand a little on this. With the highest level of complexity, everything is automated. So our developers work frequently to update the Git repositories or whichever version control system you are using. Once in the Git repository, we're going to have our automated tests. So long as the automated test is going to pass, then we can take a look at merging into the master branch. Once we've merged into the master branch, the final step is to package everything up and pass that through to production. So in simple terms, it's whether or not you want a sausage sandwich or a full English. How much automation do you want with your DevOps? So with the least automation, we have continuous integration, where it's only our tests that run automatically. We can then look at automating builds or merging branches, and that would be continuous delivery. So when the tests pass, we can merge or build the code automatically. And then that takes us through to automating everything, or our continuous deployment. With this, once we have merged our code, or once we have built our code, we can look at then packaging that up to get it into the production environment. And that is it. I'm certainly hoping you're a little bit clearer on automating DevOps with continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment, and being able to differentiate between the three.